my people, we're still on the matter, the real girl, the mind feather, the girl that will tell you the way it is. I so much appreciate those that they say, then they subscribe to my YouTube channel. As soon as they subscribe one by one, now so God go they visit on things, go they visit on innermost prayer, as a secret prayer with God. Now so God go they visit and one by one. That's so my prayer for us in Jesus' name. Amen. No. I don't tell now before say this my YouTube now two pattern. Any pattern you wrong come out, all the information now something be say you go to hear for your ears. They say you go to want subscribe. So I beg, if now your first time say they come across me, I be this. I beg this one a mind feather. Make you subscribe so that the small to they get at the top so you yourself will get some kind information. Wait it bring me come today. Now still the matter say they on maybe say like this now they won't be like say this Fulani headers. If let's say they won't touch somebody, they say the person be like as the person a pillar and the person an important person for the Igbos, as in for the Igbos, as in for the Biafra, because that person is important. See, make I talk something for you. If una fit say una if person they talk truth, the person will become an enemy to some set of people. All those people say, as you they talk truth, people they hate you. Those people they be satanic agents, and so it just be. I detect those people as evil and satanic agents, and those kind of people I they stay away from them. And so my life just be. I don't see anything. They say Governor Otom, maybe say the Governor Otom, maybe say of Benue State. I never say to the man I don't talk. Maybe say I don't when I want come they lay ambush for him. When I want come out in life, when you know go work because you know not go even succeed. In understand me, so that man na person be say he dey take care of that state in godly heart. The man not get problem. That man has been in politics for 40 years. They never even get any record against the man. The man they do it things gradually they go. But now because when I see and say he they talk against the way they treat Biafras. He they talk against the way maybe say Fulani headers from Libya, from Senegal. As in, you know where they come from? Libya, Senegal. Lead. This one are from say they from another place. They don't destroy their own country. These people don't destroy their own country. They can't dominate for Nigeria. And based on say the Muslim, the Northerners welcome them. Yes, these people see they repeat them again. Then cross from Benin. They pursue them from Benin. From Ghana they enter Benin. From Benin they enter our own place. And the Muslim, the Northerners, and they welcome them because they get the same religions. Now the Northerners they won't push them away after they don't use them. They use them against Nigeria. Then at the same time they deny, they say they don't know them. I can't even see for news they thought say some Fulani headers, as in Boko Haram attack Fulani headers. You know one thing for life, even the apple for friendship. Your person say if you say 90 your side, one day go betray you after you don't use it finish. Now they happen between Fulani headers now with Boko Haram somehow. They don't look at now say there are bad seed among them. They don't see and say Nigerians now they attack them, so they won't come push them like say not be them now they use them. I know so those people if they speak English. So not that one I bring me come. Bring me come the attack on the Benue State governor. Let me just hit the nail on the head. I don't know your own opinion on this matter. I don't know what you won't get or you won't talk. But let me hit the nail on the head. You see Benue State. Benue State is a part of Igbo State. It's part of the states that make the East. If Benue, because I don't watch one news when it say Benue State youth, they were crying in agony. They were so agonish. They were crying in agony that their place has been dominated by the Fulani headers. That their boys have been killed, their women has been raped, their farmers they murder them. I don't watch the video. You understand me? So good. There are different between states. Anambra State might be high, Imo State might get level, but no mean say because say if Benue states they not to get level, then they will be abandoned. If they not get power, make other Igbo states, may they help them, may they fight out. May they fight out. Imagine the attack. Let me say they attack the governor, which is their present governor, which is the Governor Otom. Imagine say they attack, if not say security personnel they with them. They don't kill those. They don't finish the man, and God forbid. It never reach. Time never reach. So what you bring me come here? Not be even Buhari. They talk about say if you see AK-47 shoot on them. Buhari not until they talk. Buhari is a confused person. You know why Buhari is a confused president? Because not be today like this matter dey for ground, and Buhari no dey wan react over it. And these people, so they are not even going after this man called Buhari. If they can go after Buhari and murder Buhari once and for all, make peace reign for this country. Because now say Buhari enter seat, immediately Buhari enter seat after Jonathan matter. Now this problem started. Now we did Tina so. Now we know they get peace for Nigeria. Every day the things they increase. Every day they increase. Nigeria is fighting against Boko Haram. Nigeria is fighting against kidnappers. Nigeria is fighting against cultists. Nigeria is fighting against common man. Fulani, that's the Fulani seems they come from another country. Another country, then they come from, can't dominate our country. They can't stay. They won't come tell us the law of our own place. See, you know one thing, after they will tell me, say, when I did for Desepura, I know some people did for Desepura, I know. But you don't, as I don't understand, these people say they call themselves Fulani headers, so. Fulani headers. Once they kill one person, when I made them kill, as a catch, kill them instantly. You know, say, like, Nigerian government, if you never take law into your hand, the blessed they know say they exist. Buhari say if you see AK-47, now AK-47, I be the problem now. Now AK-47, I be the matter. Now AK-47 don't let it key. Now all the Fulani now they carry AK-47. So what are we talking about? Talking about AK-47, that one even another matter. You say you go consign the whole Nigeria. You go consign the whole Nigeria. Many people go even involved for inside the matter self. Because even so they carry the AK-47, so now the same politicians now they give the AK-47. Now then they give them the AK-47. So what are we talking about? Say shoot aside or whatever what you talk. Not that one be the matter. Make I just talk with man, just say something here. You see the Igbo states, the East. If Benue State cannot fight against Fulani headers, then more gonna put body more support them. Because they are among those people that is fighting for the Biafra. They are among the Biafra country. So if Benue State does not have the strength to fight against this Fulani henchmen, then let other states in the East attack on them, kill them. Make sure if you see anyone murder that person, kill the Fulani. The ultimate this Fulani headers, like say, then see they stay. Now because of say, they never even, as they kill farmers, so they never they slaughter them back. Let it be eye to eye bob to eye bob. This people they go back. They don't see. We don't talk for news. We don't talk about security. We don't talk about it. Now I make it like say Buhari need to even use a brain rather than talk about AK-47. Who AK-47 help when he be said this Fulani that they hold dagger. If then keep persons, you catch them, kill the person, then they wait for police because the police they set their hand not clean. No be police. Police set their hand not clean. Imagine say security they guide the how they call that how they call them security people they guide them. But why Benue State don't they complain about this Fulani heads for a very long time? The East, the other state for East, now they hear about these people since. Now no one help them. When I want they born okay till when they don't finish Benue State, when I begin come and fight for Biafra. What is Biafra first? Biafra is to fight for each other. So if this Benue State don't have weapons, they don't have youths that will help them. More gonna enter this bush, clear this people once and for all. If they begin enter bush, begin clear these people will go back to their place. They will go back to where they are coming from. They will go back. It's all we need is unity. What the East needs is unity. Kill these people, murder them. Enough is enough. They don't begin them ambush on governor. See, me as I say so, I don't tell you, if now your first time to come across this my channel, I be this, I beg, subscribe, share my message. What did they invest me? They invest me. If these people then catch them, as they slaughter farmers, people should slaughter them back. Let it be slaughter for slaughter. Then let's see how they will stay. They will leave East for good. Then those who say they get good intention, let me them stay the East. Because all this Fulani, we don't even get Fulani headers. Say they be evil ones. So they say they assassin at the bush they stay. If now if you circulate the bush with fire, put fuel, circulator, set fire, they go run come outside. What are we talking about? Why would they announce every day? Fulani this. There are many ways to finish these people. Finish them. If you catch them, slaughter. As a slaughter person, slaughter. If they even slaughter yam, destroy one yam, catch the cows. Make sure that those cows are being destroyed. Since they want problem. Not be war be this. They need to fight war. You are in my village. You are in my town. You want to murder, you want to destroy my farm. You want to kill my people. Then those set opposite the difference. Then handle their matter. Handle their matter once and for all. What is your everyday news? Fulani this, Fulani that. Who be the Fulani? Then they stay inside bush. Which bush did they stay? Bush every say Governor Tom, Benue State, few waka go do farming. Now men no fit enter frustrate those Fulani headers. What did they happen? We don't to talk now. We don't to talk. Every day this, every day that, every day this. From another country, Senegalese, from Libya, from Chad. For your own place, one can take law into their hand. As one can take law, they won't help you do your own law. Or because they be Muslim, or because they be Arabic. I don't understand. Why would they make too much noise for social media every time? Why? Why not use strategy? Handle these people once and for all. Once and for all, let it end. I don't want to get to talk for you. I beg.